A farmer assistance scheme entailing a prepaid card of 28,000 pesos for purchase of inputs in food and rice production was conceived to substantially help the nation's farmers and launched today by the president on the occasion of his birthday. Our Kenneth Paciente fills us in with more details on this latest farmer assistance brainchild dubbed Agri Puhunan at Pantawid program.
Felipe suffered significant losses after his farm was severely affected by flooding due to recent typhoons. Truly a major blow on his income.
Mahirap po. Walang pagkukuhanan, walang sa lahat.
To help farmers avoid high-interest loans, the Agri Puhunan at Pantawid program was launched, led by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. on his birthday. Under the program, beneficiaries will receive an Interventions Monitoring Card or IMC. With this card, input credits worth 28,000 pesos can be used to purchase seeds, fertilizer, pesticides, and other farming inputs from DA-accredited merchants and avail services from service providers. According to the President, this is the government's way to recognize the farmers for their role in the country's food security.
Kayo ang bumubuhay sa ating bayan. Sa inyo nagmumula ang ating kasaganahan. Sa inyo mga kamay, nakasalalay ang seguridad ng pagkain ng ating bansa. Nararapat lamang na gunitain natin at kilalanin natin ang inyong kabayanihan at bigyan pugay ang inyong walang kapantay na kahusayan at kasipagan.
In addition to these input credits, they will also receive 8,000 pesos monthly for 4 months, amounting to 32,000 pesos total. According to the President, this aims to address the needs of their families while waiting for their crops to grow.
At pagdating naman ng anihan, ang National Food Authority ang tutulong sa pagbili ng 5 tonelada o 100 sako ng palay sa presyong hindi bababa sa 21 piso kada kilo. Ang kikitain ninyo sa 1 hektarya ay maaaring umabot sa 105,000 piso na tiyak na papasok agad sa inyong mga IMC.
That's why Felipe is overjoyed, saying this is a great help for farmers like him.
Yung tulong na bibigay na financial na 8,000 na pagkakawalan po malaki po yun. Yun ang maganda sa pamahalaan.
The farmers also have a birthday wish for the President.
Sana umaba pa yung buhay at mabait.
Sana po matupad niya lahat yung mga nasabi niyang programa para sa aming magsasaka.
Ang birthday wish ko ay humaba ang buhay niya para madami pa siyang matulungan kagaya namin magsasaka.
However, the President's birthday wish is still for them.
Madali yung birthday wish. Maparami ito ng talagang lahat ng bawat pagsasaka sa buong Pilipinas maramdaman itong programang ito at lahat ng programa na ginagawa natin sa Department of Agriculture, lahat ng ginagawa natin sa pagtulong ng DBP, lahat ng mga financing institution, lahat po yung buong sistema ng agrikultura ay ang birthday wish ko, mabuo na natin para maganda ang takbo ng sektor ng agrikultura para gumanda ang buhay ng bawat magsasaka, ng kanilang pamilya at ng bawat Pilipino.
Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.